Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add a payment method on Temu account, and now let's dive right in. Now to add the payment method on Temu account, first open up your Temu app on your phone. After opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of options where in the middle there is the U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and you will be on this interface where you can see the settings option or the button at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen, and on this interface you can see the first option here. It says your payment methods. Tap on your payments method, and over here you can see again you can add a range of payment methods to Temu app, from Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and much more. So to do that, tap on add a debit or a credit card option in orange over here, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be able to require to enter your card number over here, whichever may it be, and after that enter your expiration date, and after that enter yours, and after that enter the CVV digits, which will be 3 or 4 digits at the back side of your card. And after doing that, guys, tap on the add your card button and your payment method will be added on your Temu account, or you can just scan for that card by tapping on the scan button at the top right corner of the screen. And after tapping on the scan button, this kind of frame will open where you will be required to scan your credit card on this frame where it says line it up with this frame. And after doing that, guys, your credit card or debit card will be added on your Temu account from this process. And there, guys, this is how to add a payment method on Temu account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.